In front of me is HUAWEI P50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, find Themes app and click on it. Then pick the best theme for you, I will go with that one, and select download. After that, wait a bit. And click on apply. And now, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. But you can also pick one of those, for example, and select apply right away. If you wish to find even more theme settings, you can go into device settings, scroll down, choose home screen and wallpaper, and over here tap on themes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!